Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with 3 more entries into my celebration challenge. And so I am so thankful for these. I just want you to see these cute bags that it came in. Look at this with the little rabbit and all of these flowers. And this bag, oh my goodness, look at this sweet deer. I love this deer. Doesn't this look like it can go with that Darling Dearest, my favorite paper pad? Okay, so here is the first one. Look at this beautiful birthday card. I love this use of diamond dots like this. I just bought my first little diamond dots to add to projects. Oh, so gorgeous. And this beautiful flower. And the center is so pretty too. Love this paper. So pretty. Oh, how cute this ATC. And it says, "Hey, Raina, congratulations on your YouTube anniversary. I love the ring of ATCs that I have. They're so pretty. I hope you had a great birthday. Hugs, Linda." And it is Linda's Crafty Doodas and Poopas. Thank you so much, Linda. I just love your card. It's so beautiful. And I so appreciate you sending me something for my challenge. And look at this adorable deer. Do you see that tutu that she has on? Oh my gosh. And I love all the little stickles and the glossy accents. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. She's so sweet. Okay, and let's learn about Linda. And so Linda's birthday is October 13th. And her crafty style is anything. I love that. And her favorite colors are blues. And she lives in Alabama. So thank you so much. It's coming all the way across the United States. I live in California. And look at this sweet embellishment. I love that you saved this postmark and that you cut like the shape of the postmark. That is so cool. And it's got a beautiful rosette. And look at those tiny little crafting scissors on the button. So cute. I love that. That's so creative. And then look at this sweet mermaid. Oh, I love her so much. And this is a very pretty rosette, shape. This is so pretty. I need to get a few more of those. I love those. And look how she has this coral coming out the top. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous, just gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much, Linda. Okay, let's jump into the next one. Okay, so here is the next one, and this one comes from my sweet friend, JanetKay from Crafts and Tea with JanetKay. Look at this beautiful bird on here. Oh, I definitely can save this envelope for my journal too, for a junk journal. Okay, it says, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened." Matthew 7:7. I love that scripture. And it's got these beautiful birds on here. I don't know if those are hummingbirds or because they have that beak, but they're going to go get the nectar from the flowers. And it says, "On this special day, thinking of you and all the special things you've done that made a difference in my life, sending thanks for these truly wonderful times with the hope that there will be many more to come. Best wishes that your birthday will be full of joy and fondly remembered." Oh, what a sweet sentiment. So sweet. And Janet's sentiment says, "Dear sweet Raina, so happy to support you in your challenge. Hope you get lots of entries. May your YouTube family continue to grow. So glad we met. God bless you always. Love, JanetKay, Crafts and Tea with JanetKay." That is so sweet. Thank you, Janet. I am so glad that we met too. And I really do treasure your friendship so much. And I so appreciate your support to my challenge. Okay, let's start with her ATC card. And look, it is a bee card. This isn't the cutest. Look at all these little hives in the background and the tiny little bees and then the big bees and the flowers. Oh, I love all the bling on here. And it's so sturdy. Oh, so cute. So cute, Janet. I just love it. It's so cute. And it says, "Darling, you are a work of art." That's such a great sentiment. Okay, let's learn about Janet. Janet is in Minnesota. And her favorite saying for her life is "choose kindness." So I love that. And I will put a link to all of these ladies' channels in the description below. So Linda's Doodads and Poopas and Crafts and Tea with JanetKay. And she said that her birthday is in June. Also, it's June 2nd, so we're only a few days apart in our birthdays. And she loves to craft, she loves pen pals, and she loves to spread kindness and dates with her sweet husband, Chris. Oh, that's so fun. So fun. I love that. I love that. And then you guys, to match, have you even ever seen one of these? Okay. I try to cut all the crinkling, as much of the crinkling out of the videos as possible. But this is a honey stick. Look at that sweet honey stick, and it is filled with sequins. But it has you could have this as a dangle. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest. I've never even seen anything like this. Janet, that is so adorable. So adorable. You're going to have to tell me where you got that. I love that. Okay, let's look at her embellishments. Okay, I want to start off with these because they're tickets. I love tickets. I do not know what it is about tickets, but I love tickets. So she sent me 3 of the ticket embellishments that she made with these wonderful flags and matching pearls with these beautiful ice creams. Aren't those amazing ice cream cones? So fun. I love those. I love those. And then she sent me 3 more ticket embellishments with all these sweet little girls who all have fairy wings that are all glittered up. So I think she stickled those up. And these have heart bling. Oh, look at those little heart pieces. How precious are those? Oh, I love those little heart pieces. So cute. And then she sent me bows. I am a firm believer you can never have enough bows. These are so happy. So happy and so fun. I love those. Thank you so much, JanetKay. You are always so thoughtful. I so appreciate you supporting me and all your beautiful ATC card and all of your beautiful embellishments. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's jump into the last one. Okay, and this one comes from Shelly Martin, and her husband's channel is the Mountain Martins. And of course, I'm going to put a link to their channel in the description below. They are super, super fun. You know, they do like bluegrass. They play music live, and they have like chicken coop. They have such incredible ideas. And then she does crafting too. So much fun and variety, hanging out with friends, hanging out with family. It's a really fun channel. So she writes, Raina, from the beginning, you have brought so much good content to your viewers. I'm so thankful to know you and your channel. Every crafter is different. Like all artists, they bring something new to the table. You are a true artist. That is so sweet to say, Shelly. I'm a quirky one, LOL. And however, we are alike in one thing, we have fun. And that is so important. I cannot even stress that enough, how important it is to have fun. And I want to wish you the best birthday ever. You are so special and sweet. Your channel is amazing and fun. It takes a lot to make a successful YouTube channel, and you deserve the success you've received. I know you will only get bigger and bigger. You're so kind. I hope so, but you are so sweet to say that. I hope to be as blessed as we grow our channels, and I hope your days and all of your channels are filled with gigantic blessings. Thanks for being such a wonderful friend, Shelly Martin. Oh, that's so sweet. And then she wrote me a separate letter that's just for me, so I'm going to read that off camera. And so let's look at her ATC. I love that this is such a good use of letters. I don't know about you guys, but I used to be a scrapbooker, so I had all these letters because I used to make all my titles with letters, and I haven't used those in a long time. So this is such a great idea to incorporate those. So I'm going to have to get those out. Oh, wow. Look at this ATC in all these different textures. So it's got flower papers, and look at this beautiful bird that she matted up. I love this gold bow with a little bling. But look, you guys, it has like burlap. It has lace. It has, bling. It's just so beautiful. I really love this look of all these mixed textures. So beautiful, Shelley. Really great job on that. Thank you. Okay, and so this says it's a bag of tricks. That's so cute. So this is part of her quirky and funness. Look, she just shared all kinds of fun things with me. There's star bling. There's fun washi tape. There are die cuts in here. There's flowers. Oh my gosh, there's tassels. So many fun goodies. Oh my gosh, this is so great, Shelley. I love this. I love this. But these, let's see what these are. Let's look at these. Her embellishments that she made. Okay, so look at this one. You know, look at this. She's got this, has all different kinds of fun texture. It's almost like it's woven, this paper right here. She's got I love this arrow. She has one of these sweet butterflies on here. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Like all this layered up embellishments. This would be so great in a junk journal or awesome as a bag topper or card front. Really cool. I love that. I love that. And let's look at this one. I do love the craft. I do love craft paper, I've got to tell you. So I love the color of craft paper. So look at her fun rosette that she did pinking shears on the edges to make that so pretty. And it's got a flower on here and it says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. I love that scripture, Philippians 4:13. So thank you so much. I so appreciate what you created and what you sent, Shelley. I so appreciate you, JanetKay, and I so appreciate you, Linda, too. And thank you guys for spending some time with me. I hope you will go and show these incredible ladies some crafty love, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.